What's up, everybody? This is me, World's OKS Gamer, and we are back in American Truck Simulator. So I opened this up and started looking at the job list. I saw this one for $369, and we're only going a mile. I think I'm gonna take this one, and hopefully we get it done in time. I will take this backhoe loader, and that should hopefully give us enough money to excuse me, to where we can just buy our own truck with the help of a loan. Okay, cool. So now we'll go there. What? Okay, this is so awesome. Like, that's straight up a digital dash. Like, that is freaking cool. Alright, so let's get this on the road. Alright, we're going a mile. You know what? I'm gonna try to do this whole trip in first person and see how it goes. Ooh, what's all that? Ooh, there's a truck dealer over there. I almost want to go, but not right now. Whew. Got stopped. Alright, let's ease out here a little bit so I can actually see around this fence. Oh, nope. This car's coming. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna go, and well, whatever happens, happens, I guess. Huh. Wow, that was fantastic on that turn, I would just like to say. Alright, let's keep this thing rolling slowly. There we go, green light. Alright. Alright. I don't know why that came out. Australian? Was that Australian? I don't know. Alright, since this trip is only $360 some odd, I'm trying to avoid traffic offenses, because it's with a single traffic offense, this would literally just be a wasted trip. Turn! Walbert. Is that supposed to be like a knockoff Walmart? Alright, shut her down. Alright. Let's take this turn very slowly. Ha! Okay. Where should I put it? Straight ahead. Cool. We can do that. I hit a button on my mouse earlier and I don't know. Alright, I've got to see this. No. There we go. Alright, let's unhook it. And let's see if we got done in time to get the backhoe. Email. We can help you grow. Been raised to 500,000. Nice. Okay. Job market. Get hired. Route length. Oh no. Well, that sucks. Frac tank. Oh, we could easily cook that one. Let's see here. Price per distance. Oh gosh, that is a terrible price. Oh, that is a very long trip. Man, that wouldn't take that long. Fruits. Okay, so 3 hours, 9 minutes game time. That translates roughly to... Oh my gosh. Las Vegas to Kingman and Kingman to Las Vegas. That's not that much farther, and it looks a little straighter. So let's do the frag tank, and it's kind of light, so we shouldn't have an issue with the get up and go, so to say. Alright, how do I get out of here? Okay. So we're gonna go left. Oh my gosh, this truck is useless. Nah, actually, it's moving pretty good. Don't hit anything. I don't want to hit anything this early in the trip. Alright, let's get going. Do. I'm going out. I yielded-ish. Ooh, that is a massive pickup. Alright. Oh, nope, wrong button. There we go. Alright, let's get it. Where's my fuel gauge? I'm trying to find... Oh, it's right there in the middle. That's a good spot to put it. Alright, let's try to avoid traffic. Try to avoid traffic offenses, because I want as much money as possible. But traffic sucks. So that is going to be an issue for me. Alright, let's go. And we're going left, so I believe that is that one. Oh, really? Stupid def tank. Aha! Wait, hold up a minute. Oh, I don't have a... Oh, time to go. See, this is one reason why I shouldn't have a semi, because I would be looking at all the switches. I mean, I'm sure after a while, you know, the novelty of all the buttons and switches wears off. Let's see here. Can we coast and not hit anybody? I think we can. I'm looking for... I'm not coasting anymore. I'm looking for speed limit signs. I know it says it right there on the GPS. You know what? Oh! Alright. Let's see here. Tuesday at 10:17. I don't think we're going to make it by Tuesday, or by 10:17 on Tuesday. Alright. Alright, you know what? Hey, they hit me. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, that's a big chunk of this payment gone already, but you know what? We can take out a loan. I'm gonna look into that after this trip. Alright, and engage time lapse now. Alright, and as we are pulling up to the gate, okay, so we're going to bring it right off in here and get rid of this one, take out a loan, buy our own truck. Confirm. Alright, now I need this. This is this yard. I really don't like this yard. It's just a pain. Don't. Okay. Alright, let's get this thing backed over here. Hey, if you know any truckers, send them this video and have them rate my parking skills, because I really want to know. Obviously it's not in the lines, but it's close enough. Damage penalty. Oh, hey, we still made probably like $3,500 after all the traffic offenses and stuff. So now let's, first of all, we're gonna put a new skill. I don't really care about that. High value cargo. Alright. Apply. Alright, now where is... Aha, the bank. Man, I need to see how much a truck is. Truck dealer. Getting a Peterbilt. I don't know. I almost want to check out a Volvo. Yes. We're gonna check out the Volvos. Really? Well, that sucks. 355 horsepower, 1,250 foot-pounds of torque at 1050 RPM. Okay. So now let's check out this one. Oh, that's the one I want. 370 horse. Okay, cool. So Peterbilt is already better. I need like another $2,100 plus $100,000 loan. So I think that let's do that one and that one, and then we can go buy our own truck. We can buy our own truck. There's a lot of dealers out there. Yes. That one. Preview. Let's customize this just a tiny bit. I wouldn't mind. I want to paint this thing. Paint job. Sky blue? No. Pure red? No. Deep black? No. Snow white? Sunny yellow? Hey! You know what? I think I'm gonna go with the red. Okay. Let's see here. Transmissions. Nope. Can't do anything there. Engines. Oh my gosh. Well, hey, we can afford that, which would be freaking awesome because the torque actually kicks in at a lower RPM, which will make it better. Although I do kind of like the Cummins. I'm kind of partial. Short with a mid-lift. No. Short 6x4. Alright, well, we can still do that, and it'll help us with hills and heavy cargo. So now, bull bar, nope. Bumper, no. Dang it. What is that? Bug deflector, grill. Dang it. Alright, well, it looks like we can't really do much. What is that? Door handles. No. Side skirts? Chrome basic. Nope. 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 Not doing that. Alright. Alright, we're gonna buy this truck. Awesome. So now we own our own truck, and on our next trip we will be driving our own truck, our very, very own truck. And then when we pay off those loans, buy another truck. Oh, I wonder, could I hire a driver and have them drive my truck, and I just keep doing the hire driver? Oh man, that truck's pretty, ain't she? Nice. Alright, well, let's park this thing. Where is my fuel gauge? Oh, there it is, right underneath the steering wheel. Alright, so that's cool. Make sure I'm not going to hit anything pulling in here. Alright, let's see if we can hire a driver real quick. Recruitment agency. Las Vegas. Hire a driver. What? Well, that sucks. I want her. Agnes D. She's got a better rating. Oh, that sucks. Alright, so garage manager. Size tiny. Well, that sucks. Alright, let's upgrade? Yeah. $180,000? Holy cow. Alright, well, I guess it's just going to be us for a while. So, on that note, this is World's Okayest Gamer saying I will see you guys next time.